What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Torrance. I drove all the way out here for a couple reasons, but yeah, I'm here at the Amo Mall. It's dumping outside. That's kind of why I'm doing this in the car. Let's go see what they got. Man, it is pouring. January, we've got a ton of rain. All right, let's go do this. They've been talking about restocks of the lost and founds at some of the JD Sports. I haven't got any inside info, but this is the #2 store in California, so we're checking. Let's go. Oh, I just realized it's Jordan release day. They're not gonna have any freaking lost and founds on Jordan release day. That's dumb. All right, I didn't think this out. I don't have any inside info or anything, so. But yeah, it is Jordan release day. If you have the Raging Bulls, like, I just don't see why you would need this. Looks almost the same. Midsole and the outsole slightly different. I guess this part's kind of like yellowish. The netting is yellowish, I guess, but too similar. Didn't need them. Material's pretty nice. Jordan 1 release. I don't remember what the hell they're calling these, but I know they're not moving like that today. Okay, they had exclusive access, but people probably didn't go after them like that. I thought these were grade school only, right? These are grade school only. Okay, I forgot what for these are. I don't know. But they have tons of different material. It's cool. Oh, I guess I am in the kid section. That's what it is. 2s at the 13s. I swear this is like one of the only places with the Currys. You got the Curry 9s. I've not been able to see the Currys almost anywhere, so it is cool that they got them here. We've only been seeing the budget ones, the 3Z6s. That's all we've been seeing. But they even got Curry 9s on discount. We haven't even seen them anywhere, and they're already on discount. That's kind of crazy. Wear Testers has been consistently saying that the Currys, they're just really, really good for hoops. Damn, they blasting the music like crazy. I just realized that. Yeah, $160 down to $120. Okay. Damn, the Curry 10s are out already? The Curry 9s? Like, I haven't even seen the Curry 9s all season, and then all of a sudden the Curry 10s, do they have factory issues or something? Like, where people just, I don't know. Upper's definitely different on these. I had no clue the Curry 10s are out. Okay. So got the Harden Volume 6s right here. These are going for what, $150 a piece? Coming out with more kamikazes. Haven't seen this colorway. Okay. What are they calling these? The Hurrikaze. That's funny. Got the little sweat beads on it and stuff. Okay. What these going for? $110. Got some Omnis right here. I'm a fan of these. Got some, I don't know, that's ain't zebra print. What kind of print is this? Got some questions. Normally $170 down to $100. Got some answers right there. Jordan section out front now. Okay, they moved everything around. Holy crap. Jordan lows, kind of like an inside out edition. I don't think I've seen these, have I? Just seen the mids. Kind of a deconstructed look as well. $120 for those. And they got lows, more lows, going for $110. Mids, more mids. Laker mids, all white mids. $1.25 for all those. 13s, been seeing those at the outlets here and there. 11 little IEs. They have these on sale at Cheap Palace. 7s, more 7s. And then they got the 37s. Is this the Griffin color? I don't know. But that's what it says right here. Never seen that. $120 for those. But they have it on these. What the hell? I don't know what's going on. But yeah, Jordan 37s. They ain't got no 4 lows here. Someone showed me they were going for freaking $20. I probably would have copped at least one. They got the ZX 750s right here. Pretty dope, classic looking sneaker for $40. $40, that's not bad. Another colorway go for $60 right here. Those are the only forms that got down to $60. I haven't seen this colorway right here. This is pretty dope. Haven't been going to the malls that often, so I'm gonna be honest, I'm not aware of all the releases like that. But okay. Then got dunks. Been seeing a ton of dunks everywhere. The hype on the dunk highs have died down. Even on the lows, they've died down a little bit. All right, I am on a little bit of a time crunch. I don't even think I'm gonna go to Shoe Palace because that's too far. We're gonna hit this store up, hit up Champs, and then maybe Lids. But yeah, I need to try to be somewhere in the next 30-40 minutes. Do got I think these are the Stranger Thing Vans right here. The skate lows, or the skate highs, my bad. Skate highs go for 90 bucks. Normally, what, 125? More skate highs right here. With the old school with some nice suede on it. Purple kind of, I don't know, purple's kind of whatever, but the material's fantastic on these. Some of the Vans, man, they've been using some of that nice material. See, this one feels pretty decent as well. Just not digging that color. Skate lows. More skate lows on sale. Like, material on these, not bad, dude, not bad. What's this one? I don't know what this is. The old, then got some more old schools right here with some decent material on them. Another one of those on sale. The old schools, like the materials, I haven't seen one that's just all leather like that. Down to $30, normally $65. Okay. There is the Jordan section right there. That's pretty much it about the retros. Some Air Max 90s I've never seen before. Pretty interesting color. I'm good. Thank you. I'm just not a big fan of the ones with the nylon on the toe right there. They're okay. Got some nice suede on it. $140 for those. Kyrie prices up and down and up and down. And back to 100. Yellow ball 2s. Going for what are these going for? 130 with the Charlotte colorway right here. Okay. They're starting to sell out. We only see 2 different colorways here. Air More Uptempos on sale. I freaking love Air More Uptempos. I almost wore one today, Niners colorway, but not even Niners color. It's more of a bread, but it's raining. It's raining like crazy, so couldn't throw them on. Nice to see multiple on sale, which is crazy. And I think they're coming out with the OG black and white, which just released in 2020. They're coming out with those again. I do have a pair that I haven't worn yet. 175 down to 130. Then another one of these. Okay, I'm not digging that colorway at all. That one's interesting with all the different prints. That's what, 175 for these, I believe. And then I'm surprised these aren't on sale, because these are on sale everywhere. 170 for these. I was wondering if I should, like, if I find a refurbished one, or if I find one at the outlet, if I get one, if I should just take the Nike sign off. This would look dope without the Nike sign. I think so, because I do like that. I don't know, is it gray material, platinum material, whatever? I'm a fan of that. Just not digging the big Nike sign. That's the only thing that prevents me from buying this. If I found a really, really good deal, I might try it. But there'd be like the old stitching holes all over the air. I don't know. Might be dope. We'll see. We'll find out. Bunch of the 574s on sale. I have a feeling we're gonna see a ton of those at Champs. We always see a ton of those at Champs. And then I really wanted one of these on sale, like the one with the suede on the back, the white with the suede on the back, but haven't seen them. So maybe I missed out. This is dope. Remember, this is T-Mac's last sneaker with Adidas. They did not renew their contract, so I think I kind of want a pair, but I just don't want to pay full price. And I have to come up on a colorway that I like for cheap. So who knows if I'll get one, but yeah, 130 down to 90. And then these were the ones on sale. Someone showed me a picture where they got these for 20 bucks. I missed out, man. And then the crazy 97s or 98s. Yeah, 97s. This is Kobe's second shoe, I think. It's his first signature shoe with Adidas. Because he did wear like one of the EQTs or something, but yeah, he won the dunk contest on this. This is dope, dude. This is dope. I don't think it's dope enough for me to buy, but I do like these. I do, and I do give them mad respect. I got the Trae Youngs right underneath, going for 140 now. Yeah. Then they got the Adidas foams, and then what the hell is this, dude? What the hell is this? Obviously these came out before those, but oh my god, like the wannabe Yeezys right here. kids section, they do still got the slimes. I guess the men's section sold out, but they do got these. It's nice to bring out something different. All right, we got one more store, and I gotta go. All right, I'm gonna skip this one only because I'm headed to another lids right after this. I got like 5 minutes. I need to hurry up. Shout out to the homie George, man. We was chopping it up for a few minutes. But yeah, he's learning off the channel and stuff, which was freaking dope. He ended up picking up some Jordan 5, what are they? Mars, I don't know. The Mars ones. The one we looked at earlier. But yeah, got a few minutes. Let's go check out the champs. This is one of the bigger champs they got. They got a women's and a kids connected to it. They also got a bunch of 5 cent 4. See, I talked about it. Yep. These are pretty fire, dude. Look at that, man. All that suede on it. Man, that's fire. I'm not paying $85 though, but yeah, cause you can't find a bunch of them on sale. These are pretty dope. I say I can't pay retail for these, but the only one that I do have, I did pay retail. I did use a $10 off survey coupon. That was pretty fire, man. But yeah, they got them. Oh, I just realized I forgot to fill out a survey coupon the last time I bought something. And I'm tripping. I usually never forget. Ooh, this one. Ooh, look at this one. Wow, I'm a fan of that one right there. These are all normally $85, and they do got sales coming. 550s. I never was into the 550s. I know some of you guys love these. I don't know. I just never been a fan. I prefer the 574s, but if y'all like these, at least you guys can pick them up. You guys can pick them up without having to, stand in line or win reservations and stuff. Air Max 97's on sale. We've been seeing a bunch of these. Ooh, is this the one that I got? Paid like $50 for them. That's crazy. Air Max 95. Like nobody's been into Air Max 95s lately, huh? Yeah, I don't really have too many. I think I have the neon one, and I think that's it for those. Blazer Jumbos on sale. Damn, all the Blazer Jumbos on sale. Yeah, see, this one's on sale here, but it's not on sale at Foot Locker. What's up with that? Okay. All the Griffies on sale. Man. Nike basketball. All the Kyrie's on sale. Yes. I did see that on the left right there as well. Got Jordans, and plenty of Jordans. Then the Shaq Attacks. One of my favorite things. How is this now just being found? What the hell? Really? These released in what, December? And they sold out on the website, and then now I'm seeing them at the malls? Well, what the hell? All right, I do have one of those, so yeah, I don't need one. Yeah, that is dope to see that at the mall, though. That is fire, dude. Fire. All right, got some of those right there. Iverson's hair collabs, going for way too much. Okay. I grabbed these, not this colorway, or one of these. This is actually really nice, too. Did grab a bunch of those for family members. It was cheaper than that. I think I grabbed all mine for $10 on the Chic website, oh no, it was the Eastbay website. Y'all know the Eastbay website was closing. So yeah, I ended up, was it a bunch of these? I think it was a bunch of these. Got it for $10, man. $10. I think even on the Eastbay website, I think I used a survey coupon. I swear I used a survey coupon and still got $10. I've got all that for $10. All right, they do have a bunch of stuff here. They got the slimes right there. That's pretty fire. But yeah, I gotta go to the other mall. All right, they got the kids section right there, women's section right there. But I gotta go. All right, it's gonna be a shorter vlog, I guess. Dang it. All right, you guys, back to the rain, dude. Dude, I'm wearing my Niners jersey and my Jordan 11s. I forgot to show Jordan 11, Concord Breads, and yeah, I forgot a jacket. I got so excited. I didn't even know it was raining outside. I got so excited. That's the Niner game today. Damn. Look at that, man. It's dumping.